Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your Airbnb messages. We are going to use this website called Uplisting. From here, you have to tap on this green button and then you can go ahead and create an account. The way this works, it's basically designed to answer questions before they arrive, which will save your time while keeping your guest happy. You can create your own template using your own tone of voice, and from there you can enter in these message tags which will actually customize the message so that it suits your client. For example, it says hi guest first name. That means instead of saying that guest first name, it will actually say your guest first name, which means it won't look like some generic email. It will look like an actual email that's actually been written by you. There is also an autoresponder. If you didn't already know, your response rate and response time directly link to your search ranking in Airbnb, which means if you can reply as fast as possible to your clients, that means you actually rank higher in Airbnb, meaning you can get more clients in the long run. As well as messages, you can also automate the reviews, and doing this will also encourage guests to post a review, for which in turn will get you more clients, because the more positive reviews you have, the higher you will rank on Airbnb. So in order to get a setup, you can simply click on this button here, either sign in or create an account, and from there you will be logged into their site, and we can go over to this section to start automating our messages. And as you can see here, there are tons of messages templates as well, and they are fully customizable, so we can change this exactly how we like. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.